What is up, guys? Malama here with another online money hooks video. Now in this video I want to talk to you guys on how you can make $500 a day using affiliate marketing and Facebook free organic traffic. Now before we get into the video, I just want to show you some amazing results from one of the people that are doing really well using Facebook groups. So if you're into affiliate marketing, you don't have money to spend on Facebook ads, and you'd like to learn affiliate marketing through an easy step, there is a course that I'm recommending. But before that, let's talk about this right here. So as you can see, this guy is just going through how much he's made in a K, almost 3,000 a day, just using Facebook group and selling his own product. But you can also do this with affiliate marketing. So these are payments that he's processed in almost a single day just using his Facebook group. So as you can see, he's saying he weren't sure it was going as we weren't planning on. He wasn't running ads. He was just doing this through his Facebook group, and ended up closing $3,000 a day using Facebook free affiliate marketing. So as you can see, the easiest way for you guys to start is giving you a free omnipresence way to grow organic Facebook traffic. And if you feel like this can help you, can go ahead and sign up for the free course. So I'll leave a link in the description. It's going to bring you over to this page. You can go through this, and if you feel this would be good for you as starting out with affiliate marketing, feel free to go ahead and join it. So the very first step you need to do is you need to find a high ticket affiliate offer. That's step one. So you need to find anything that's paying $500 and upwards. So we're gonna go ahead, head over to ClickBank and look for some affiliate marketing products that can help you make more than $500 for every sale that you bring in. So once you get to ClickBank, you need to create an account. Then you need to go to affiliate marketplace. So depending on your niche, you guys are going to be in different industries and hobbies that you'd be interested in. But the key is finding products that are $500 plus. So for example, for myself, I'm into making money online, affiliate marketing and digital marketing. So there is a course by Joe Cristani that's like pays $500 plus. So anyway, I'm just going to go to and select the section that has to do with e-business and e-marketing. So once I'm here, I'm going to select a product that's paying $500 plus. So as you can see, this one here is paying $456, $287 on average sale, but if you promote it properly, you can get more than that. So once you come over here, you want to click promote. Once you select here, it's going to bring you to this page. Then you can select which landing page you want. So as you can see, you can get a preview of the different landing pages that are actually available. In fact, I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick this product and start to promote it right away. So all you need to do is come here, click promote, then you select this one, then you select your nickname there. That's my nickname. Then you can say generate hop link, and it's gonna bring you a unique code that you're going to use to promote. So as you can see, this is my unique ClickBank code that I can use to promote these offers. And once I'm done with that, I can do two things. I can go to YouTube to gain traffic, and I can do a video about a super affiliate system review. I can do a review. But since we're talking about Facebook, in this video we're going to be talking about how you can use Facebook. So what you want to do is you want to go to Facebook. Once you head over to Facebook, you want to start looking for groups that you can use in your target niche. Let's say you're into maybe affiliate marketing. So you can search for affiliate affiliate marketing groups. So you can search for affiliate marketing and it's gonna bring you a list of groups. What you want to do is you want to join these groups, then just start being active and help people out. And if somebody needs a solution to their problem, to make money with their business, you can recommend this product. And if they purchase that product, you get paid 456 or more for every sale that you bring in. And on average, you can approximately maybe make 2 sales a day, and you'll be on averaging $500 to $1,000 plus in a single day. Now, for you to do this properly, you need to go through this course that I myself also taking step by step, that teaches you exactly how to grow a Facebook group, how to make money on Facebook without being spammy, and how to do it the right way. Because you just don't want to spam affiliate link into people's groups anyhow and just spam messages to people. You want to build up a relationship, and the proper way to do that is by going through the One Group Away challenge. So I'll leave a link in the description to where you can purchase this product, just in case you guys need it. So thanks very much guys for watching. I didn't want to make this day go by, so I wanted to make a video for you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much for watching. Peace. I'm out.